What's up, everybody? How you doing? This is Cool as Smalls, 4K Tech, digital artist, AI artist, graphic designer, video editor, fashion photographer. I want to talk with you about 2024. 2024 is the anniversary for me as a digital artist. I don't think you hear me. 2024, for the last 10 years, is my anniversary of me drawing. So this year, what I gotta be doing is remastering some of my original pictures that I done in 2015, and some of them I had done in 2014. But my first time drawing was actually in 2015. I know most of y'all asking me, Lee, what is your original drawing? My very first drawing is this, of David. Let me tell you a story, a testimony of travel and tribulation of being a digital artist. So when I was a kid, I used to draw on piece of paper and canvas in school. I went to art class. Now I love art class, but I never did art in digital before. The first digital art that I lose, in 2015 was Photoshop. Photoshop opened lots of doors for me. Photoshop, I have every Photoshop that you can name. I have from the S1, the CS1, CS2, CS3, and CS4. But CS5 was the time, was the time that I first time drawing anybody on a computer. At that time, I had Windows 10. Ain't that crazy? Windows 10. Wow, that crazy. I had Windows 10 at that time, and my first drawing came out of Windows 10. I believe it was Windows 10. I might be wrong. So I think it was out of Windows 10 or Windows 8.1. So I fall in love with art. I fall in love because I had a friend of mine named David. It was David Jerome. And some of my friends, and my brother Sylvester, you could call him out his new name now. They call him the valet Henny now. But I knew him as Sylvester Lee Newman. So I remember this story that Mark and David, they were on YouTube watching this guy draw a cartoon. So they came to me and said, hey Lee, can you watch this? I want to see, can you draw this since you're good in Photoshop? Is that what I told David and Mark and my dental, that I good in piece of paper. I could draw on a piece of paper. I never draw on a PC before. So the drawing that you see right here is the widow cutter that I lose in my first art. That's the reason why this is special to me, because this is the widow cutter, the very first cutter that I lose as an artist. So this is my original art that I did in Photoshop in 2015. Then I went back over years, like 2022, I went back stitching. That was the year that I lost my mom. So I went back drawing. After I lost my mom. Mind you, I've been drawing, but I never draw. So that first time I ever lose a iPhone. The first iPhone I ever lose to draw with Procreate, the application called Procreate, and I'll go and get it. Procreate Pocket was drawn in 2015. So this is what my second drawing. So if you look at the pictures that I shown you, they are painted inside. So when I began to do the still drawing in 2023, I guess 2023 was a year of me sketching, drawing. Cause 2022 was the first year that I was sketching and making AI. First time being an AI artist was in 2022. First time back drawing was in 2015. Now, over the years, I got better and better and better. So now in 2024, you get a whole brand new look updated.